This is going to be a video review of the Bodylastics patented anti-snap maximum tension resistance band set with 5, 6, 7, or 14 of our exercise bands. I think I bought the package with 12. So the reason I bought these, you go online and it's always hard to tell what reviews are positive or right or... Sorry, my neighbor is elderly, and I brought over some Girl Scout cookies to him, and they just brought me over a thank you. So let's take this out and see what we have. As I was saying, it's really hard. Well, this is a nice case. This is a heavy package. I still don't really know what's in here, but it's definitely heavy. And it's sealed up, so it's definitely sealed. Sealed with the... So as I was saying, it's always hard to tell with reviews, especially nowadays, what's legit and what isn't. My reviews are always legit. And if there's a product I'm not happy with, I take my review down. So, reason I bought it is the anti-snap. It's supposed to have something inside the band that makes it so that it won't snap, and I want to protect myself, and I got a dog over here. So let's see what we've got in the package. These... you can always tell in my reviews when I go, wow, that I'm impressed. These are the ankle straps. Look at this stuff. I mean, this is incredible how thick it is. This is bulky. This is good stuff. Nice, heavy ring. Looks like it's I don't know if that's welded or what that is, but these are really solid. It's got some cushion on the inside for the ankle straps. This alone, I'm very impressed with. So it comes with, again, I think I bought the 12. Yeah, I bought the 12 pack. They have a 31 pack. The 12 pack is maximum 96 pounds. The 31 pack is 404. I don't need that. Okay, so it's got the 2 ankle straps. This is the door strap. Again, this is some seriously beefy material here. Does this come apart or no? Probably not. Okay, and so the advantage of buying an anchor, I've got some smaller door anchors, but the advantage of one like this is that the big handles will fit through with this big opening, and you've got this foam thing that will go on the outside of the door. I'm not sure how long the foam will last. Some people say they don't last long, others say they last long, so who knows. My feeling is something like that breaks, you go out and buy another one. Okay, look at this. It's a soft plastic grip on a very hard plastic handle. Another big, solid, beefy ring and really good strap. So I can just tell you right now, the quality of this stuff is very impressive, really impressive. What did I pay for this thing? It's not inexpensive, $28, but look at all you're getting. Okay, so what do we have over here? Looks like we have a poster thing, a book, 34 exercises, which I'll look at later, not while I'm doing the video. And then let's open this thing up now. And so when you look at this part, you say, well, there's not a lot in there. But yeah, there's a lot in here. There's a heck of a lot in here. And I'm not going to show you how to do tons of exercises. I'm just going to show you what's in the package. I can tell you right now, my opinion is 5 stars, top quality, really good quality. I'm impressed with the beefiness of the straps and the rings. And to me, the most important thing is the anti-snap, because when you've got these things under pressure, you want to have a ring made, a band made that's not going to go snapping back at you. So we've got the 12 pack, and let's see, 12 pack gives us 5 bands. One band is 13 pounds. One band is 3 pounds. One band is 8 pounds. One band is 5 pounds, and one band is 19. So the whole thing is that you take these weights and you multiply them by 2, because you're going to be putting this inside the anchor, and you're going to be pulling from both sides, so you end up with double the weight. So I'm going to set up the door anchor now on the door. You don't need to see me set that up, but I'm going to set it up, and I'm going to pop these things in the door. in the anchor, and I'll show you a couple exercises, and then I'll end the video. If you like my stuff, please do a thumbs up, subscribe, a like. If you want to share the video, that would help me out a lot. If you want to donate to my channel, ask for my PayPal info. If there's a product you want me to review, if I can get a hold of it, I'll do the review. Do a lot of detail. I talk a lot. I ramble a lot, and that's what my channel's all about. The door anchor mounted on the top. You can see that my door has a bit of a gap in it, and that is the only reason that I'm able to use this door anchor. The material is really thick. This is my front door. As I said, I've got a fairly large gap on the top, and I've got weather stripping on the outside, so I was able to get it in on the top. I think you can see the gap over here. Not much of a gap on the side by the hinge, and that's really where you want it. You want it on the top or you want it on the hinge. I don't have a big gap by the hinge, so I couldn't put it in there. I tried, but the material is just too thick. So I'm going to have to use a different anchor. If you've got gaps around your door, you're probably going to be doing good. I might be able to squeeze it in on the gap down there. But this is really good quality material and maybe too good for this situation. So I'm going to hook it up in the rings and the handle right now. We've got, where is this? Got the ring, and you snap it in place. This is solid carabiners, no doubt about that. Then I'm going to feed this through the hole. It's really kind of hard to show all this stuff, but this is hooked up to the top. I'm just going to use two handles right now. I'm doing this, going downward. I like the quality. That's the most important thing to me with this review. I like the thickness of the material, the big band, the big rings, the nice carabiners, this is what I need. This is really what I need. I've got a lot of shoulder problems, and I need to be able to do this. This is the most important thing for my health right now, is to build up the shoulder, and this allows me to do it. I'm going to try this, and I don't have it zoomed in that well that you can see everything. See if I can zoom out a little bit. All right, let's try this now. So it's going downward. I'm going to try one more where I can lower this thing, hopefully, so I can use it in a different position. But you don't need to watch my video to learn the exercises. They've got charts. You can hold it here and you can go downward. You can pull it outward. You can do with the arms for tricep. You can turn it this way and do this for bicep. You can go downward. There's just use your imagination, or go on the internet or look at their exercise book. There's tons of exercises. Remember, I said you don't want to do this on the lock side. You want to do this on the hinge side of the door, but I've got the lock, I've got a deadbolt, and I've got another thing over there, so I think I'm protected enough. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to be holding the handles and pulling back, and the same thing you saw me do before. And you can do that forward. You can. This is mainly for the shoulder thing, or doing exercises body level. And then the other one, obviously you put it at the top of the door. Oh boy, this is really good. This is exactly what I need. I'm going to benefit a lot from this. This is only 5 pounds. The strap, 19 pounds. When you are going for building muscle, that's when you want to start bulking the thing up. But you're probably going to slam your door jamb, or you're going to, I don't know if you want to mess with that unless you have something really secure that you can mount these things to. For me, I'm not doing this for rehab as much as I'm doing this to try to build up weak muscles in the neck and the shoulder that I've let atrophy for so many years. And for about $28 to be able to, is this a workout? God, is this great. And the thing is that this is so different than using dumbbells. It feels different, it works your muscles differently, and it builds up the weak muscles, where if I was doing this with a dumbbell or a barbell, I have to use a lot of muscle control. That's where you build muscle, but you're using a lot of muscle control and a lot of muscle fiber to support the weight and to balance the weight all through the process of the exercise. And with this, you don't have to worry about anything dropping. You don't have to worry about supporting anything. So it allows you to go slow and work that muscle until you break it down. And it's really good for rehab. It's really good for elderly people, senior people, people that don't have a lot of bulk body mass, or bulk body mass as far as muscle, not weight. It's just a really good thing. I used to be totally against these the loops and the bands and the TheraBands and the tubing, and now I think they're wonderful because I can lay down. You don't even need to have this on the strap. You just lay down on the floor and you put this thing around your feet and you do your pulling exercises instead of using the anchor. So I'm very thrilled that I bought this. I think I got my money. I know I got my money's worth. Again, excellent quality. This is good. As far as these bands, they've got the string in there so that if it snaps, you're not going to get injured. These things will snap when you push them past their limits. It's like a rubber band. You can only stretch a rubber band so far before it's going to break. So don't pull this thing. Don't stand away from the door 4 feet and yank this thing until the thing falls apart. Use it at a normal distance and you get a good amount of life out of it and you get a good workout. And I'm going to try this one more time on the shoulders, doing it the way I should be doing it. Going backward and bringing the shoulder blades together. And this is an awesome, awesome purchase. And if you don't want to use it on there, again, I said you can put it on your feet. You can buy door anchors besides the one that's here. You can get hooks that you can mount on the wall. You could wrap it around stair posts, or just be careful that you don't fray the material. But a great product, a really good price, and you can't really put a price on your health and your muscles and your body and your well-being. So, yeah, very good product to buy. What does it say over here? Bodylastics. Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure you share the video. I just want to show you one other thing. You don't need to use the anchors to be able to use these things. Yeah, the hooks are on them, so it's not going to be like a flat band, but you can still use the tubing. I'm going to take this thing, put it in my hands, wrap it around, and it's not like the bands that are 4 feet long, 5 feet long. But you can take it, look at this. Whew. And you have something to hold on to, which is nice, but you can get a really nice workout. Because of the length of this, you're going to have a hard time putting this down on the floor under your feet and doing exercises like that. But this is killing me already. And what is this? Did I 5 pounds? This is totally nailing my back shoulders, my upper shoulders, which are so weak. So in a couple weeks doing this, I can develop the shoulders. I've got it over here. I can do outward and work the biceps a little bit. What else can I do? I'm going to wrap this around my hand over here. I'm going to go over my shoulder. Trying to get over my shoulder. Okay. Over the shoulder. And holding it down here, I can go downward to do the tricep. I'm going to put this over far away here, and I can do this to do bicep. I'm going to wrap it around the front so I can go in and stretch the the front of the front of the chest. Obviously, the chest is in the front. The front chest, so that that's doing a stretch in the bicep and the forearm. Ow, 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 ow. And normally we sit in front of the computer and we arch forward and curl forward, so this is stretching it back and trying to balance it out. So, a really awesome product. Lay down on the floor at night while you're watching TV. Use these things in the daytime. Hook it up to the door. The anchors, use it. I'm already feeling it. I'm not out of breath, but boy, are my muscles starting to burn.